Hey and welcome to BoatProjectY. Thank you for joining us as we unveil the secrets behind transforming this extraordinary vessel and discover the hard work, the exceptional craftsmanship and the unyielding spirit of adventure that accompanies every build. Ahoy and welcome back, my boat lover friends. We're picking up where we left off and I'm putting the final touches on prepping the hull for paint. My mojo is back in full swing with this gorgeous late season day as my backdrop. I'm attacking the hull with an orbital sander and a 60 grit paper. For those tricky spots, my needle gun is my trusty sidekick. And the old paint flies off at the rhythm of the pneumatic hammer. Sand, hammer, rest, and then repeat. So maybe you remember a few episodes ago I made a review on a cheapo spray gun I bought, and well, let's put it mildly, it was not very complimentary. A few days later I received an email from the brave people over at Hichika. I hope I pronounced this right, but anyway, they told me you don't need a 10,000 euro gun to get a good result. And to put their money where their mouth is, they sent me the paint sprayer EP13. Now there are no strings attached for me, I'll give you my honest review, and then so fingers crossed that this time I can use it on the entire boat. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, you can feel the difference in build quality with this Hichika spray gun. It's robust and once you plug it in, the compressor packs a punch, moving a much larger volume of air than my old setup. Like the other model, you can adjust the paint flow and spray direction by twisting the handles near the nozzle. Oh, but wait, there's more. I'm taking advantage of this beautiful day to put the finishing touches on the hull's exterior. Some light sanding, a quick degrease, and boom, let's see what this new spray gun can do for me. We are carefully measuring the paint viscosity. I'm still using Jotun's Jotomastic Alu 90, a 2-component primer. According to the viscosity meter that comes with the spray gun, I need to add about 18% of thinner to get the perfect mix. Ready, set, here we go! Now, I'm by no means a professional spray painter, but here are a few tips I learned along the way. Distance and speed are key. Keep them consistent. Work with a steady wrist, moving parallel to the surface until the end of your stroke and then flare out with your wrist. Between refills, it's a good idea to give it a quick spray with thinner. Always filter your paint before, just for good measure. Clean the gun thoroughly with thinner afterwards. Yes, you'll use a lot of thinner, so it better be worth it. For small touch-up, I won't bother getting this spray gun out, but for bigger jobs, I wouldn't want to be without it. Oh, would you look at that? How beautiful is she? The paint really accentuates her beautiful lines and curves. I could talk about this boat forever. What a beauty, don't you agree? If you're tempted and you're thinking, I could use one of those Ichika paint sprayers, well, good news for you. Head over to Ichika's website, the link is below in the description, and use the discount code on the screen for an extra 10% off their already extremely low price. Excellent value for money. I wouldn't want to continue to work on this boat without one. Hell yeah, we're on a roll here. Let's give the Wheelhouse some love. With Christian's help, this 60-year-old space is getting a brand new look. Thank you very much, Christian, for your help. One beautiful thing leads to another. Under the motto refurbish, reuse and recycle, I was on the hunt for an alternative to the wooden flooring. It needed to be waterproof, strong, non-flammable and easy to work with. Enter these polypropylene plates. Lightweight, with excellent mechanical properties, these sheets were once the floors and the walls of a clean room, you know, where they build computer chips. Now they will be the new subfloor of my boat. My dad made cardboard templates and we were transferring the shapes onto the sheets. There's something deeply satisfying about rebuilding a piece of the boat and shaping its future. Good stuff, I'm happy. More of this, please. Bit by bit, we're working towards a future that is just a few meters away. Back to the boat's natural habit, back to the water. Until next time, my maritime friends, fair winds and following seas.